if you're sitting on a low mortgage rate and thinking, why would I sell right now? Let me tell you about a real story about a buyer and a seller that we just helped that might change your perspective. We recently worked with this young couple, first-time sellers, who had just welcomed their second child. They were outgrowing their current home and they needed more space, and they dreamed of getting a bigger home, a better neighborhood, different schools, and more room for their growing family. But they were stuck because they had a mortgage rate in the 2s and didn't want to give up that rate for today's higher mortgage rates, which is totally understandable, but here's what they weren't seeing. They had over $55,000 in credit card debt across 3 different cards that were all charging over 21% interest. Plus they had a car loan at over 8% interest rate and a monthly payment of $1,100. Their monthly financial breakdown looked like this. They had a mortgage, $2,200. Credit cards, $1,500 in total minimum payments. A car loan, $1,100 a month. Total, they were paying $4,800 a month. That's when we show them what their blended rate is. The true cost of borrowing when you factor in all of the debt, not just your mortgage. We created a mortgage strategy to sell their current home, use that equity to pay off all of the credit cards, pay off their car loan, and help them purchase a larger home that fit their growing family. Yes, their mortgage rate was at a higher rate, but they were now completely debt-free. Their new mortgage monthly payment was $4,150 a month. That's on a bigger home with no credit card payments and no car loan. They were now saving roughly around $650 every single month and living in a home that financially fits their life. So I'll ask you, do you know what your blended rate is? It's not just about your mortgage rate, it's about your whole financial picture. Are you curious what your blended rate is and how a move-up purchase could actually save you money? Send us an instant message and we'll walk you through your own personalized scenario. No pressure, just real numbers and smart strategy.